Medicine may have always been prescribed by doctors, but that does not mean that you should always use them in treating your health problem. Pain relievers are not always good, especially when your body is not reacting to the medicines anymore for the fact that you have exceeding to the average drug intake. In this situation, aching back may be treated by chiropractic concordancy. Chiropractic is not only used to those people who have been in accidents and injuries, it can also benefit other people without deteriorating the condition of the health, without the side effects of the pain relievers too. That is why this has gained the demands of the vast majority after. Introduction. This was introduced to the public because a lot of people needed to be treated. They needed someone that will make all those pains go away, especially when they accidentally trip their toe while strutting on the ramp. With this, the balance of the body will be maintained based on the need of a person. One contribution brought by this treatment is through the mental health of a person. All for the reason that the will help the mind relax a little bit more, most especially when a person has been too stressed lately. This therapy will relieve the tension of the muscles that will relieve the stress as well. Chiropractors use the hands-on spinal manipulation and other alternative treatments that will help in balancing the proper alignment of the body skeletal system, particularly the spine, that will enable the self to get healed without the further need for surgeries that could cost you quite a lot. However, this is not done impulsively, for the medical doctor will examine the patient first. There will be a lot of alternatives that will be resorted before they can give you the prescription of this type of therapy. They will only prescribe this after the diagnosis of the problems say it is already a must. It is also needed that you establish a budget for this. This is for the reason that you will not be treated with the therapy, not unless you handed down your down payment. You will need to sustain the monthly fees of this therapy too, so you have to establish your budget. And a piece of advice: this could be a little pricey, so you got to make sure that the clinic that will be treating you is worth it. The early days of the therapy will hurt you a lot. That is a fact, but as soon as your body gets used to it, then everything will be fine. This is why you have to participate in the rehabilitation, exercise, or the nutritional counseling that is going to aid you a great deal for a faster recovery. If you are looking for an organization that is going to help you big time, the Chiropractic Concordancy is just down at the next block. However, you will have to consider asking around about the operation and the process to save yourself the surprise, and make sure it is prescribed by your medical doctor.